Start by adding your warm milk, sugar, pumpkin puree, sourdough starter, egg, vanilla, salt, bread flour, and softened butter to your stand mixer. Use your dough hook on low speed until it comes together into a rough, slightly shaggy dough. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Knead on speed 1 or 2 until it's smooth and elastic, around 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to cover it up and let it bulk ferment at room temperature until it's risen around 30% and feels soft and pillowy. Time for the fun part. Let's fill and shape those rolls. Mix the melted butter, brown sugar and cinnamon until it looks like delicious spiced wet sand. Roll your dough out into a big rectangle. Around 20 inches by 12 inches is perfect. No flour needed for this one. Spread that buttery cinnamon goodness all over, leaving a little strip bare along one long edge. Then roll it up tight, seam side down. It's giving cozy autumn blanket vibes. Slice into 12 pieces, pop them into your baking pan, and make sure those seams face inwards so no one unravels mid-bake. Cover them again and let them puff up. This part does take a while, but hey, all good things do, and good rolls too. Once they're soft and touching, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. That is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're feeling fancy, pour a little heavy cream over the top before baking. It makes them extra gooey. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes and then let them cool for half an hour. Finally, whip up that dreamy vanilla cream cheese frosting and then smother it all over your cooled rolls generously, or go lighter with the vanilla glaze if you must. And there you have it. Soft, golden, pumpkin swirled sourdough cinnamon rolls that make your whole kitchen smell like a hug.